welcome back. We're off to Tucked. Sam and I are currently driving, well, Sam's driving his JZX out of our little estate and it's on cold start and is really loud. So we're just sort of creeping out. Well, now we are, not back then we weren't. But yeah, so we're just creeping out. We're just driving from my house to mum and dad's, getting the EG, and then picking up Ryan and Smith and then driving to Tucked, which is in Gaydon. So it's at the British Motor Museum, but yeah, fun times. I'm not going to be like videoing like too much. I'm just sort of going to be showing you like some of my favourite builds and just sort of going around. Very quick video, but yeah, I just thought I'd video something. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair this morning, it's a bit purple. Oh yeah, I've re-dyed it as well. Bye bye now, say goodbye. We made it. We're just queuing to get in. Yeah. Oh look, there's a sieve.
Come on, sieve.
Hello,
it's got some
sieve.
chromies on it by the looks of it.
I know, it looks smart. Oh, that's so smart.
They're making pop and bangs.
But yeah, I got Smith with me today.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Oh, my hair actually matches my seat nearly. I could blend in.
Camouflage.
Whoa, look at that. I don't know if you can see, but that is some throwbacks. There are so many cars.
Oh my god, I just want to get in.
I need a wee.
I'm tucked in at the museum. Put the rear heated screen on.
Smith, can you check it's in neutral? As in, it's in neutral, I think it is.
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Ah! The horn doesn't work though. MOT failure that.
We have parked up. There aren't as many people here at the moment as I was expecting to, but it is pretty cold. So that might be why.
Yeah.
Smith's melting. He's already hit his head on my mirror and nearly broke my chairs and dropped his phone like a million times. But yeah, we're gonna have a little wander around. It's freezing still. I'm desperate for a wall. That's a really nice purple. Where is it? That one. Yeah, it is in neutral. Is it neutral? It's in neutral. But yeah, we're gonna go for a wander. I've just realised that this is behind us. That is interesting.
What are we doing?
This is pretty cool next to us. But yeah. Yeah, but they are pretty cool though. I said to fact caps because I really miss it until just now. Is it gonna blow up? Oh! What was that then? Are you nervous? This is so sick. This is literally the wheels I want, the colour I want, my skyline. Look at them!
This is the dream.
Isn't it? I need it. Sorry, in the way, in the way. I need it. Hello. Oh. So it's just like, hello?
Anytime.
It's time to eat some food in the back of the JZX.
Oh yes. You come to the show and all we want to do is eat and drink.
Yeah, literally. All we need to do is eat and drink because it's so cold.
That's why. The tank is bigger than that, you don't want it.
Smithy's got camcorder.
Reminds me like Sam's Civic.
Luckily, I'm not a member of this club.
No, I just said you hanging.
Yeah, I heard you.
Get out there.
They're shouting at him, can you do a donut? Around the whole show. There was actually quite a good standard of cars, to be fair, here today, which there has always been quite a good standard at Tucked anyway, but like there was an even better one today. So yeah, I'm quite pretty like happy with how many like cars there were, and like just there were quite a lot of like eggs. I never see EGs anymore, and there were probably about 4, so I was quite impressed. We've gone and stood on the hill. I don't know if you can see in the distance. There's like loads of people stood up here. We went and saw a few people leave. Some guy like drifted in the middle. I'll put it a little video in it. But yeah, so we are heading home now. It's still fucking freezing. My lips are still blue. But yeah, this isn't really a very in-depth vlog, but I just thought I'd get sort of like my favourite bits on camera. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you all again soon. Bye.